In this first chapter called the sets and relation, we will understand about sets. There are three methods of representation of sets. The first method is called Rowster method. The second method is called as a set builder method. And the third method is called as a Venn diagram. Let us understand each one by one. In Rowster method, we try to list the elements by comma, comma, comma inside a bracket. For example, if I say B is a set of all days in a week, so Monday followed by Tuesday followed by Wednesday and so on. So this is in which we normally write what is the set. For example, if I tell you A is a set or C is a set of all vowels in English, so it is A comma E comma I comma O comma U. So in which we actually write what is the set. Whereas the second method or the set builder method is a method in which we describe the property. For example, we say Y is a set of all months of a year. So we will write Y. We will start with bracket. We will first mention X as a variable and then we specify X is a month of a year, which means X could be anything, any month of a year. Similarly, if we say B is the set of perfect square of natural number, then we can write B and then we'll write X belongs to natural numbers where X is a perfect square, and this is how it is represented. Whereas Venn diagram, if you see, we can either use a triangle, a square or circle, whatever. For example, in this given example, A is 1, 2, 3. So it is one set. B is A, B, C, D, E, F, second set. And C is the third set, 4, 5, 6. So you can just put in any rectangle triangle, that is called as a Venn diagram. Now this Venn diagram method is very useful in future whenever we, try to solve questions at different levels. We'll come back to intervals. Right now, let us also understand what are different types of sets. Something is called as empty set. Empty set means null set. So, which doesn't have any element. It is written like phi and it is also called as null set. Whereas singleton set, as the name says, it contains only one element. So, for example, if there is only my favorite color, so it can be only one. So, it is singleton set. Or an alphabet A, it is just one. So A is the set and N of A means कितने elements हैं उसके अंदर. Suppose I say a set has A, E, I, O, U, 5 alphabets. So N of A will be 5. If I say A has 0, so N of A, the number of elements in this set is 1. Then you can also classify finite set and infinite sets. Finite sets are which can be counted. For example, A is a set which contains of letters of the word beautiful. So it has B, E, A, U, T, I, F, L. So there are 8 alphabets. So N of A is 8. It is a finite set. Whereas infinite set is something which is not finite. For example, set of natural numbers. जिसकी कोई गिनती नहीं कर सकते, कितने भी हो सकते हैं. Let us also understand few different terms such as equality of sets. Two sets are said to be equal when their elements are exactly equal. For example, let's take X is equal to A comma B and Y is equal to B comma A. We say the sets are equal. Whereas there's something was equivalent. Equivalent मतलब जब उस set के number of elements same है. Suppose A is a set which has D, O, M, E and B is a set which has R, A, C के दोनों में 4 element है. So N of A is equal to N of B. The sets are said to be equivalent set. Then let us also understand there's something called as universal set. Universal set means कोई भी एक example ले लो उसमें जितने भी suppose I say 1, 2, 1 से लेके 10 के सारे numbers. Now this is a universal set. So in any question, whatever is given, all the set of numbers, that is called as universal set. You'll understand better with an example. The remaining part we'll do in the next video.